Welcome, today in front of me HUAWEI Y5p, and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then here tap on the home screen and wallpaper section, then just tap on the wallpaper, and here you can see all our available wallpapers here, the default ones, and also we can select our new wallpaper from our device gallery. And here we got also the more wallpaper section. That's here, I think we got the same one. So just here click, for example, to this wallpaper, click here on the right down corner, and we want to set this wallpaper to the lock screen. Tap here, wait a second, and now we'll just check, and as can you see, our lock screen wallpaper has changed successfully. So, and also we got the second way how we can do that. Just you should slide with your two fingers at the same time, and here on the left down corner you'll see the wallpaper icon. Just tap here, and by the same way just click here, for example, to this one, click here to OK, and tap to the lock screen. And by this way we can change also our lock screen wallpaper. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.